Happy Wednesday! This is May 20th, and this is the last day of school this week because Thursday and Friday we are on vacation. So, today at 6 p.m. is a Zoom meeting on science. Today, before you start literacy or math, I would like you to go down to your Moodle page at the bottom, close to the bottom, for science and look at your science and do that before you do anything else. That science is going to help you at our Zoom meeting today. So let's go back to what we have today on the 20th. 6-year-olds, you have quite a bit of reader's notebook to do, different pages. And then today you are also going to be talking about fractions. 7s, you are going to do an end of the year test for grade 2 in math and work on your 6s in multiplication. And then for literacy, you have handwriting, A to Z, and a paragraph to write about waking up invisible. I think that should be pretty fun to write. So, again, science is real important. If you usually don't make it to the 6 o'clock meetings because of the time that it's too late for you, if you can do it today for science, since we won't have any Zoom for Thursday or Friday, you can understand the science that we asked you to do today a little bit better. So, I'll see you a bit later. Have a great day. Bye.